Don't be the one who creates the problem by not saying to kids, hey, make sure you walk, make sure you walk, make sure you walk. Or walk this way, or take off your hat, or whatever it might be. Be able to be really vigilant about just reminding them. You don't have to chase them down the hall. You don't have to say, I can't believe that kid has a hat on again, or that kid has that shirt on again. Let that go. Just remind them. Just say to them, hey, take your hat off, take your hat off, take your hat off. We need to have every single staff member do it. If we do that, within a very short time, kids stop the behavior because they know what to expect. But they don't know what to expect when we get tired and we say, no one else is doing it, why should I? And it completely breaks down. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.